Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video, I will show you how to get premium screen recorder absolutely free of cost. So follow the step-by-step video. You will also get 1 year premium license key absolutely free of cost. So firstly, you have to go to one of your browser and in the search bar you have to search this. So I will put this link in the video description. So firstly, you have to provide your name and then you have to provide your Gmail address and then you have to click on agree and click I am not ready to go. Click on get now. So as you can see, there is showing congratulations. We have sent the pre-activated code to the email address. So I have to go to my email address. So you can see this. A one mail have been sent in my mail. So click on this and here you can see this. This is the email address and this is the registration code. So this is the registration code. So firstly I have to download the software. So to download the software you have to copy the link and paste it in the browser. So as you can see this download successfully. So double click on this, click on yes. Now I have to install it. So to install so now I have to install it. So for installing click on install. So this is installing the software. So as you can see this, there is showing T-Part is in capture installed successfully. So now we will go to the software. So it is opening the software. So so as you can see this, it has successfully installed and here is showing T-Part screen capture and register. So now we have to register it. So for registration, you have to click on the pay button and there you have to provide email address and verification code. So now I will copy the email address. So I'll provide the email address and here I will send the verification code. So as you can see this, I have successfully logged in and here I have to click on K. In the bottom, we have see that activate. So click on activate. Now we have to provide the email address and registration code. So our email address is this. And we have to also copy the registration code. So paste the registration code. Now we will click on activate. So click on activate. Actually unlock the premium version. So now you can record as much as you can and you can do your customization from the software. Thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.